Hi, welcome back to this video session. This is the revision video of chapter 2. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today I am going to discuss some important topics of number system. Number system. When we type some letters or words, the computer translates them in numbers as a computer can understand only numbers. Only number, binary number, that is 0 and 1. Okay. And we'll discuss today the binary number system, decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. So decimal number system, if you are familiar with the decimal number system, it uses 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. Right? And each position represents a specific power of base 10. Why it is base 10? Because it uses 10 digits. 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. That is why it has base 10. Right? For example, the decimal number 1234 consists of the digit 4 in the unit position as you used in your mathematics. So ones, tens, hundred, thousands, right? So 4 digit in the unit position, 3 in the tens position, 2 in the hundred position, and 1 in the thousand position. So we can write down it. So a computer can understand the positional number system where there are only few symbols called digits, and these symbols represent different values depending on the position they occupy. For example, I'm just going to show you the example so that you can understand the decimal number, how we convert the decimal number to the. So binary number system, you can use two digits, 0 and 1, also called as base 2 number system. Each position in binary number represents 0 power as a 0 power of the base 2, example 2 to the power 0. X power of base 2, 2 to the power where x represents the last position. Just see this example. For example, how can we represent 1, 2, 3, 4? What is the position of the 4 unit digits? That is the, we can write simply what is the position of 4? We can write from right to left 2 to the power 0. Right? 3, what is the position of 3? From 0 to 2 to the power 1. This one to 2 square 2 square square and 1 to cube. So this is the 10 to the power 10 to the power 0. So you can write down here the base, because decimal number we are going to, but so this is the 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 2, 3. When the binary number, we can just write down 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3. So decimal number we write down 10 to the power 0. Similarly, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2 and 10 cube. Similarly, we can also use the octal number system, because why we have written here 2 as a base, because it uses 2 digits 0 and 1, right? It uses 2 digits. Why I have written 10 to the power 0? Because it uses 10 digits 0 to 9. Simply in octal number system, it uses octal number system 8 digits 0 to 7. That's why we will use here the 8 to the power 0. Write down simply 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, and 8 square and 8 cube. This is the simple difference. And the hexadecimal number system, it uses the 16 digit. Then we will write down here 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1, 16 square, and 16 cube. Once you understand this basic concept, you will able to find out the convert the number decimal to binary, and hexadecimal number, octal number. So only difference is their base. Why I have used here the 10 to the power 0? Because it goes from right to left. Least significant digit and most significant digit. Right side less significant, and the leftmost side the most significant digit. So just try to understand the concept. 10. Why I have written 10 to the power 0? Because decimal number uses 10 digits. Here binary number, it uses 2 digits 0 and 1. Octal number system, it uses 8 digits. And hexadecimal number system, it uses 16 digits. Understood? Now see. Here, this is the decimal number system 1, 2, 3, 4. So once we write down what is the place value, 4 into 1. This is 3 tens digit, 1's 10, 3 into 10. How we write use in the mathematics? 2 into 100 and 1 into 1000. And now put the position value. So this is the 10 to the power 0, right? 10 to the power 1. When we move right to left, we use the 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3. If 5 digit, then what will we do? We write 10 to the power 4. What is the value of 10 to the power 0? It always 2 to the power 0 or 10 to the power 0 or 8 to the power 0 or 16 to the power. Always it comes 1. So 4 into 1, that is 4, right? 10 to the power 1, 10, 3 into 10, that is 30. 10 square, that is 100 into 2, that is 200. And 10 cube, 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. So 1 multiplied by 1000, that is 1000. Understood? This way, once you sum up the number, you will get 1000 plus 202. 1230 plus 434. Right? So this way you will able to find out able to convert binary to decimal or decimal to binary. See here this is the binary number, right? And number is here binary. Just need to convert the binary number to decimal number. What is the number? 1010101. First of all, write down this number into the from right to left, 2 to the power here 0. So here you can just convert. How we used to convert simply, It is also a simple way when we are going to convert. I'm going to show you the simplest way if you are if you want to convert. Just see here. Yes. When we have to write down the digit like convert 20, take any number. First of all, place the position value from going to right to left. If we just write to left here, we can write down the number. First place value 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 0 1, then 2 to the power 1 2, then 2 squared, that is 4, then 2 cube 4 to that. So you can see the number which goes from right to left, it is just double. 2 to the power 4, that is 16, 0 1 2 3 4, 2 to the 5, that is 32, right? This way, if I have to write down the number 5, how can we write down? This is the decimal number, and how can we convert decimal number 5? 5, how can we write? 4 plus 1. Then only you just need to write down the place of 4 and 1 and put the 0, which is not required. So 5 can be written as 1 plus 4, that is 5. How can we write 7? 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. So you just need to write 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1, 7. Now, how can we write 20? Can we take 32? No, it is greater than the 20. Can we take 16? Yes. 16. 8? No, it will be greater than 20. 16 plus 4, 20. Put all the zeros, which is not required. So now you can see we can write down 20 this way simply. This is the simplest method here. You can also find out the division method or this way, right? And do more questions, solve more questions, try to solve. Now, so how can we write 40? How can we write the 40? 40 can be written as 32. Can we take 32? Yes. 30, 16? No, it will be 48. 32 plus 8. Yes. So put all rest of the place 0. Now you can see, you can put 40 can be written as simply this. Understood? How can we write down the 13? 8, 13 can be written as, just see, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14. No, first we take 8 plus 4, 12. We cannot take 2. We can just put here all the 0. And simply this is the 13. How can we write down the 15? 8 plus 4, 12. Yes, we can take 8 plus 4, 12. Can we take 2 more? 4, 12 plus 2, 14. Yes, plus 14 plus 1, 15. Show 1, 4 ones. This way 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14. This way you can write to any digit. Convert decimal to binary. This is the simplest way that you can use the division method. Hope it is clear to you. Thanks for watching the video.